Ferodo provides proven braking expertise that delivers everyday wins. This means that our products are developed and tested to exceed the performance of our competition, both on and off the track in different conditions. Ferodo delivers an extensive selection. This is complemented by a worry-free installation process, giving you peace of mind and an experience that inspires you to win in what you love to do. Spanning 125 years, the Ferodo legacy began in Northern England in 1897, when engineer and entrepreneur Herbert Frood pioneered the first woven brakes for horse-drawn carts. Ferodo is now part of Drive, Tenneco's business division dedicated to ride performance and motor parts. Ferodo is a leading European braking manufacturer. Top OE brake system suppliers use Ferodo brake pads. Our aftermarket pads are produced on the same OE certified production lines and to the same quality standards as our OE pads.
We have a wide and comprehensive range: brake pads, rotors, shoes, shoe kits, hydraulic parts, brake fluid for light vehicle, light commercial vehicle, trucks, buses and trailers. We continuously improve our product. First of all, we listen to our customers. We also have a dedicated engineering team for the aftermarket. The product improvement is also supported by the input we are having from our Garage Guru program.
Our pad designs include all the key elements that make a good brake pad: chamfers, grooves, accessories, and even more importantly, the precise dimensions and tolerances.
Ferodo brake pads are the result of extensive in-house friction material research and development, as well as tight collaboration with vehicle manufacturers and brake system manufacturers alike, producing and delivering to OEMs, the OES, and the aftermarket.
Prototyping is an iterative process. We continuously produce, test, and improve new and existing prototypes until all stakeholders are satisfied. Everybody's surprised by how much work goes into the R&D side of things and developing the product. And looking at the brake pad, it looks like a very simple product, but there's a lot of things that go behind it. So we do a multitude of tests. Some of these tests are standard tests that everybody does within the industry. Some of these tests are non-standard. Everybody does R90 because R90 is minimum that people have got to meet in order to release a product. They asked us to develop a product for bicycles. So we've got a bicycle fitted, we've got a dyno running.
At Ferodo, we perform laboratory tests, complemented by a collection of dynamometers that enable us to further support our track and road tests.
So this is one of our performance dynamometers where we measure friction level. We measure speed, temperature, pressure, computer control, reprogram the system, it collects data that we can analyze offline. We can see the effects of brake dust on the wheel. Also, we have a climate unit on this dyno. We can do humidity control. The key difference here is we're measuring sound. We've got a bicycle brake mounted on here. So this is the typical brake that you would see on a mountain bike or computer.
From the dyno and formulation all the way to the car and product you receive. We take our vehicles to test tracks, proving grounds, so we can test every element of the characteristic of a brake pad. So we test for wet and dry condition in controlled environments, we test temperature, we test fade, and we test the overall feel.
Ferodo also develops cutting-edge products for the racing market.
Obviously, we need a lot of research and development to make the product the best in the paddock. For this, we need strong, powerful lead teams with pro drivers, which are taking our products to the highest level of excellence. We go there to do the fine-tuning of the brakes, which is making the car going faster, and support the teams for any need they might have. Brakes are about safety, so we need to be there.
Distribution is critical to our business, and Ferodo's EMEA supply chain footprint is strong, with 6 warehouses in the EU and the UK, and 1 in South Africa, and we aim to provide excellent distribution throughout the region to our valued customer base.
Our unique approach harnesses innovative in-house engineering and OE heritage. This allows us to provide quality product for end customers and state-of-the-art operational marketing tool for installer and distributors.
If you're a technician a garage owner or a supplier, Garage Guru is here to make your job easier. We're bursting with useful and informative content, while we also offer on-site training and a technical helpline to assist you with everything from installation tips to warranty advice.
We are striving to constantly update our catalog database and pass the information to the main providers of electronic catalog in Europe, just to name to TechDoc and MAM, and give full access of our product to our customers.
Nearly everything Ferodo related can be found on and offline. As an installer or as a business partner, you will discover a wealth of interesting Ferodo information in printed materials, on the website, in our newsletter, on our Facebook page, and via the Ferodo YouTube channel. And alongside our Garage Gurus experts, we frequently publish how-to videos, trouble tracers, technical advice, training content, tips and tricks, and points of sales materials, to name a few.
Distributors can rely on Ferodo to support their business throughout their customer life cycle.